Hey guys, it's Wes Gaddis. I want you to stick around all the way to the end, and I'll share with you a way that you can get mentoring and get started building your online business fast. A lot of people have been asking, what do I need to know before starting an online business? There basically are three key elements that you will want to be clear on. You want to know the answer to each one of these three questions. Okay, the first one is what niche you want to build your business around. A niche is like a category, for example, health and wellness, uh, pets, a DIY, makeup. It doesn't really matter. Those are just different types of niches. The second question is how do you find products or services to promote? So, how you earn money is you drive traffic to these products or services. And when a customer buys or signs up for the service, then you earn a commission. You are an affiliate for these programs. They are using you as their advertising venue, their method of making sales and acquiring new customers. So you'll want to find a product or service that you like, uh, you believe is a high quality product or service. Okay. Now the third is how to drive traffic to the products or services. There are two categories, and those are free traffic and paid traffic. Free traffic is the best traffic for the long term because the return on investment is a lot higher than the paid traffic, but it does take a while longer for it to start building momentum and for you to start making conversions, making sales, and then earning an income. Paid traffic is fast. You sign up to places like Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, Instagram, TikTok, um, Bing, and you pay to have visitors go to your site. It's a lot faster, but it has its downsides too. If you do not know exactly how to set up the ad, you can run through all of your funding you have for for the ad spend really fast if you do not set it up and monitor it correctly. So how do you find a niche and find products or services to promote? I recommend any beginner start with clickbank.com. Clickbank is a marketplace for digital products and services. There are some physical companies that promote their physical products on there too as well. And it is the categories or niches are pretty much unlimited. So after you create your account with ClickBank, go to their marketplace, scroll through, and find a niche and products or services that you would like to get started promoting. Then after that, it's simply you'll get your affiliate link and then you'll start driving traffic to those offers in order to make an income. Like I said earlier when I first started, that I had something special for you. If you want a mentor, a coach, a guide to help you get clear on all three of these answers to make sure you're set up correctly and getting off on the right output and becoming profitable that much faster, click the link down in my description and we will get you started fast. All right, thanks. God bless. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside.